from Nepal and on the coast. Magnum in a dresser like a thunderbolt. Hollering mathematics just to sell my dope. Boy, I learned the gun just to sell my coke. Candy and the dirt killer, now we king slanging. Put in that work cut, gun straight bang. Paper platoon, we them goons. Get your motherfucking cash through the math. We gon' run up on your ass like half of Nepal and on the coat. Magnum in a dresser like a thunderbolt. Hollering mathematics just to sell my dope. Boy, I learned the gun just to sell my coke. Candy and the dirt killer, now we king swing. Back a strap like your girl bra. You gon' catch a hot with yellow world star. 7 gun salute the bird call. And we gon' smoke until this earth fall. And them coppers, man, they know my name. Yeah, we bleed, but don't look, don't believe the same things. Out of my hand, I break the law. Got a big chance they catching on. We move it down, we dropping, chopping, shift them lawns. We drunk and shoplifting, rock bitches. No glasses on, God vision, mob living. Cold flashes, spark, mess up the tape. Never gave a fuck about a bitch, hoes over snitch. I'm at a bitch house, eat a dick, whether be a rich motherfucker, them broke as full. Rather have a Benz on 29 rims, sipping on some Pims in the middle of a golden tub. Cold cuts, we bag them up. No rush, get tucked and touched. If you wanna fuck, go down with us. Paper platoon, get smoked like a
Sparkmaster Tape, you have 60 seconds to win the million.
Oh, man. I know this, man. Alright, well, look, it's not gonna be A. Alright, what about some B? Maybe it's B. No. I mean, I guess he could be a, nah, man. I guess he ain't really just, nah, alright. Yeah, hey, what about D? No, it's not really D. If it was D, then shit. It must be A, bitch. What the fuck is you say, bitch? Slap a hoe like I'm racist. Make a bitch get some break. See, shout out to the homeboy, right? Paper platoon all day. We rocks display. Don't spin around, cause all this fucking Cassius Clay. I'm Cassius Clay with a left hook. Then we duck out, lead the rest shook. You fuck with and a fake thug. Catch a real slug from the paper. I guess my answer's A.